So that's why today I am reviewing this Legend Planner. This is an amazing planner and I'm going to show you from inside how does it look like and how it can help you to achieve your goals faster. Control your mind and you will control everything. Namaste, I'm Guri and I help people raise their vibration. Today we are talking about the best planner and why do you need this planner. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. If you're watching this video, you probably love planning your days and weeks like me. But even if this is your first time and you're trying to get into the habit of planning your days and weeks, I'm going to tell you what are the benefits of having a planner. Number one, it really enhances your productivity. Number two, you'll complete your tasks much faster. Number three, your stress level will go down. Number four, your mind will be less cluttered. And number five, you will feel that your life is in control. Let me tell you one thing. Since the day I started planning my days and setting my goals, my productivity increased 10 times. And I achieved 10 times more than a normal person would achieve without planning their days. Because clarity is very important. Without goals and clarity, it's like roaming around in a new city without GPS. You will get lost or it will take forever to reach to your destination. I have manifested my dream life using the planner and using all the manifestation technique because with planning my days and setting my goals, I have achieved success in my relationships, in my finances, in my career, in all areas of my life. So that's why today I am reviewing this Legend Planner. This is an amazing planner and I'm going to show you from inside how does it look and how it can help you to achieve your goals faster. All right, so the cover is really nice and it comes with different colors. I really like this color. It's kind of my vibe. But again, in the beginning, you have this quick start guide where, it shows that how to use this planner. So this is really helpful if in case you want to use it. But again, yeah, so here you can put your name and everything. I haven't put anything because I don't really go anywhere. So this is your dream list where you can put all your 100 dreams. And then these are really nice self-discovery questions that you can get here, some like awareness questions. And then you also have this amazing vision related questions. For example, you have the financial goals, career, business goals, personal development goals, and you have all different goals like family, friends, romantic relationship, which I did not fill in because I'm doing some other exercises for that. But again, feel free to use that. And then again, mission and vision, and these are your goals. You can write down all the 3 to 4 goals. So you have all these amazing exercises where you can also write down your 3 months goals, where you can enter what's your first goal and why do you want it, and rewards which if achieved. So this is very beneficial exercise, and I have done that for my first month, and trust me, I have achieved all the things that were there, almost all the things. So it's really helpful, and you have the action steps, what you're gonna do to achieve that goal. So this is really helpful as well. And then you have the monthly planner where you can write down all the important dates and important events. And here you also have the most important goals. So what you are doing now is you are writing down all the yearly goals, and then you are trying to divide those into like some monthly goals or like 3 months goals, and then you are also breaking them into some micro goals. So this is very helpful. Another thing that I really like about this planner is it gives you this reflection page where you can reflect on your month, and this has this life balance wheel where you can rate yourself. How was your achievement for your career, your family, your romantic relationship? So it really helps you to keep on track. And then again, here you can write down all the ideas and notes, and then you have your daily planner. So in daily planner, again, you have the days where you can plan your whole week, and then you have goals for this week. Again, now you are kind of making monthly goals into micro goals, and then you have a habit tracker. This is really helpful because I've been using this and I am on track with my habits.
and then you have what's your work to-do list, personal to-do list, and again things that you will make your this week great. So work is good, but again we need a balance, right? So we need some fun as well, so you can write in all these things. So it's pretty helpful, and that's pretty much it about this. And you also have some stickers here. I don't really use it. You can see that I didn't even use anything. So you can also use the stickers as well in case if you are that creative. And that's pretty much it.
I hope you are ready to achieve your goals and to raise your vibration. I've also put the links in the description if you guys want to check this planner. Let me know in the comments if you have used a planner before. Also, if you want to know more about manifestation, meditation, please check out my other videos. If you got some value out of this video, please press that like button. It would help me to get some recognition in the YouTube world. Alright guys, that's a wrap, and I will see you in my next video. By then, sending you so much love, light, and